beautiful place. Amazing and relaxing. This nature is breathtaking. Here we go with the great clay mud bath. You're not going to do a lot of this. So have you done this before?
I have never done this
You've
before.
Never done the clay thing?
I've never done the clay thing, and I'm always kind of leery about being dirty. You know, Michael is just not the rub stuff on you kind of guy, but it's okay. It was really nice. I'm gonna just say my skin feels softer, more supple, more pliable, and just like baby skin. Okay, maybe it doesn't, but anyway, it was a fun experience. We're about to jump in this pool right quick and just soak it all in. Oh my God. Here's to us, and once again, those who wish to be with us. Cheers.
Well, this is the tops. The nature alone is amazing. The way they have incorporated the villas and all of the buildings, restaurants and all, within this natural environment. These trees are enormous, absolutely beautiful, and I think they've kind of done a great job making you feel as if this place has been put here and not disturbed nature. So it's designed to be a relaxing venue, and that's exactly what we're doing.
The locker room, sauna, the change is one, and a little bar pit right here. And of course you have the one and only, Miss One and Only 2022.
Thank you, darling.
So we're gonna go ahead and change.
Second pool of the day.
This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. I'm getting ready to go over to this part of the pool that I've been dreaming about. Oh my God. What an amazing view, what an amazing feeling. This is fantastic. So what do you think, my dear?
Because this is how you change the way you live the second half of your life.
I have such a beautiful one and only.
Oh my God.
So this is Miss One and Only for 2022. Say hi.
Hello.
And your name, ma'am?
My name is Anita Henderson, and I'm so happy and proud and honored to be your one and only.
what do we have here? Oh my God. Passion fruit, margarita, delish. Yep, one and only. Somebody's got to do it. It might as well be us. Cheers from the best time in my life, literally. Okay, this is our anniversary treat from Mandarina One and Only, and let's open it and try not to make a mess. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh my God, it's a chocolate heart.
It's a chocolate heart.
Oh my God. Okay, we're just have to eat it like that.
I think we're going to have to make it work. family, and we'll definitely be back. Michael, are you unpacking already?
Oh my God, yes. I want to unpack so that I can prepare for our next great adventure.
We just got back last night.
I know, but I want to be ready because, again, you know, it's all about being ready for the next great adventure.
So you're just unpacking and throwing everything.
I'm unpacking, I'm
in the
separating,
laundry.
I'm sorting, I'm basically trying to get everything cleaned up and ready to go.
And ready for the next trip.
Ready for the next trip.
Should we say what the next trip is?
Oh,
Nah.
no, we're gonna wait until, because we're still working on the details.
Okay.
And but it's gonna be another big doozy.
Everything.
I think as we
Lots of clothes, time to wash so we can get ready for the next trip.